Today we are studying option type OP enter display. Here we have two type of option, one which affect the whole program and one which affect a specific drawing. The one which affect a specific drawing or the current drawing are shown, you see here, current drawing with an icon. Okay, let's see what it does. Go to dark, light, color theme, apply. You see the color theme of the window changed to light. We prefer dark because it's good for eyes. Again dark, apply. Come here. You see you can scroll by, you can pan your drawing by mouse, but we don't have scroll bars. Go to option OP, enter. Here you see display scroll bar in drawing. Apply. Okay, we have applied the scroll bar. Okay, now here you see the scroll bar to navigate between your drawing. Same here. These were options which affect the whole program, but the other favor of the options are only affecting the current program. With the icon you change any one of these. For example, here to our text, highlight, razor image frame only. See, apply solid fill. We just uncheck it, apply, okay. Here we had some solid fills. If you remember, we lost those solid fill. Going back to that OP option, apply solid fills, apply, okay. We got those solid fills back. So that's how your option is working. There are lots of options. You do your practice and learn them.